Good morning everyone. Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adesh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. We were doing with the chapter The Adventures of Toto, class 9, and in the previous class we have studied about the character, the theme of the story, the character of and the features of the monkey called Toto, and the introduction of grandfather, of course. Now we are doing in the next part, that is the journey to Saharanpur. Since the grandfather bought the monkey Toto and he decided that he will keep him with in his zoo, private zoo. Okay, so what happened next when the grandfather has to go to collect his pension to Saharanpur? So he was going to he planned to go to Saharanpur just to collect his pension amount, and he decided that he will take Toto along with him. Okay, so the problem was how to carry Toto along with him in the train. So he decided that he will buy a big black canvas kit bag. Okay, why? Because it is quite comfortable to keep a monkey, so called Toto, inside the bag so that he could not escape from it. Okay, so what happened? Suddenly Toto poked his head out of the bag, results in payment of 3 rupees to the railway ticket collector. The grandfather decided that he will carry a canvas kit bag, okay, so that he can keep monkey Toto in it. But suddenly Toto poked his head out of the bag, and it results what? It resulted into the payment of 3 rupees to the railway ticket collector. Okay, so that was the part of the journey. Okay, now what happened? The grandfather, when returned back, so he decided that he was in trouble, that what to do with Toto, where to keep him, because he was a notorious character. Okay, so there was one more animal named Nana, and he was a donkey. Okay, so Toto and Nana, how the behavior of Toto and Nana took place as per the theme of the story is that when Toto was finally accepted in the house, when he was accepted in the house by grandmother, grandfather, and all the animals, so he was given a comfortable home in the stable. So grandfather decided to keep the Toto in a comfortable place, a home, okay, in the stable. Now kept. Now what happened when grandfather kept the Toto with Nana, that was a donkey, okay, a family donkey. So Toto started troubling the donkey. Okay, he started troubling the donkey. But this Toto and Nana, they had never became friends. They never became friends. Now, because seeing the behavior of Toto, there was the grandfather used to bring new ideas so that he can put that values in Toto, so that he can be able to put the Toto in his private zoo. So what surprise he brought? He brought a treat of Toto. What was the treat of Toto? He used to fill a kettle, okay, and in kettle he used to fill the water and boil it. Why to boil the water? Just so that it becomes warm water to take a bath in the winter evening. Okay, so one day a large kettle left on fire with water to boil for tea. So grandfather forget that there was water inside the kettle, and he left the kettle on fire, and he filled that kettle to boil, filled with water to boil for tea. But what happened? Toto came, and Toto thought that might be possible that this water is put in the kettle for me too, so that I can take the bath with warm water. So what he did, he checked the water, warm water, and he entered the kettle since it was boiling. Okay, so he put himself in the trouble. But grandmother saw him, and he came, and grandmother, she came and she saved him. Grandmother saved the life of Toto. So Toto felt very hurt. He felt very hurt if anyone laughed at him. So whenever any other animals like Nana, the donkey, or any other animals used to laugh at Toto, he felt hurt. Okay. So then what happens? Seeing all the characters. Toto was notorious character, mischievous pet. Okay. Then he never decided to live in compromising manner with all other animals also. Okay, and whatever plan whatever surprises the grandfather gives to Toto, he always misuse it. Okay. Then grandfather's decision at final of this chapter, it was based on the decision of grandfather, that grandfather decided that Toto was not the type of pet to be kept in the house. Toto was not the type, since it's a monkey. We cannot keep the monkey as a pet animals in our home. So what he did, he found the Tonga driver and he sold Toto back to him for 3 rupees only. Grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver in 5 rupees and he sold him back in 3 rupees. Okay. Why he sold? Because he was not the type of pet which can be fed in our homes. Okay. So this chapter suggests that one should have faith and love and compassion towards the animals, pet animals. But keeping the pet animals is also a good choice. Okay, we cannot keep bear, or we cannot keep the panther at our home as a pet animals. Dog is somewhere, it's a single faced animal, so we can, and it's quite cooperative. Okay, and good in behavior if one teaches him. Okay, but monkey cannot turn out to be that kind of pet which grandfather can keep him in his private zoo. So he decided to sold him back. So that's all for the chapter. Okay, and remember, now we will do those chapters which will be there in the syllabus as per the CBSE guidelines. The new few of the chapters have been deleted from the syllabus. Okay, so we are doing those chapters and those grammatical parts which will be there in the syllabus. So that's all for this chapter, the adventures of Toto, chapter number 2 we have done with. Okay.